everyone, I am Bhavna and today I am here to talk about an interesting kit of KPL, that is stringing by shapes. So let's learn. This is stringing by shapes. This kit contains 5 beautiful colored 3D shapes like flower, pear, tree, muffin and teddy along with a string. It enables the child to recognize color and shapes. While stringing these shapes, it will develop the pincer grip of child, help in strengthening hand muscles. It will help build self-confidence, patience and determination in the child. Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let us add one more. We get 6. 6 and 1, 7. Next number to 7 is 8. Add one more to 8. These are 9. And one more, 10. And so on. Pattern making. Here we have flower, tree, flower, tree. What will I string next? Yes, flower. And next, tree. Tracing. Beautiful kit for pre-writing skills. Tracing can be used as stencils for drawing and coloring. We can also do color, dabbing and little ones love to work with colors. See what beautiful flowers are there. With these shapes, we can weave a beautiful story which helps in building and enhancing communication skills. These shapes can be dipped slightly in water and can stick on any plain surface or wall. Apart from fine motor skills, it boosts creativity and imagination through experimentation and playway method. Keep practicing and happy learning!